Hello and welcome to the Carmichael workshop. Today's project is going to be all about using up some of this scrap wood that tends to pile up in all of our workshops. I've accumulated these 3 buckets of scrap wood, and there's all different types of wood and different colors. So what I thought I would do today is create an art piece that I've never seen done before, so I don't even know if this is going to work. But if you've ever been to a craft show, chances are you've probably seen sand art. It's where they take a bottle or a vase and fill it with layers of different colors of sand to make an art piece. So I thought I would pick out different colors of wood, head over to the table saw and turn it into sawdust, and then fill this vase I got from the dollar store with the different colors of sawdust to make this art piece. So let's go make some sawdust. I'm going to use this revolutionary high-tech dust collector to collect each color of sawdust and dump it into the vase. Well, here it is, scrap wood sawdust art made with the table saw. I used sawdust from 12 different kinds of woods in the vase, and really the only other type of wood I had left over was poplar. So I cut a circle out of poplar and hot glued it on to contain all the dust inside. And I really like how this turned out. It looks really cool, and it's a lot like the sand art bottle that I've got. Alright everybody, now I want to challenge all of you to see what kind of creative project you can make using your scrap wood. Just create a video of your project and upload it to YouTube and become part of a community-wide scrap wood challenge that's going on. If you need some ideas, check the video description below for links to a whole bunch of other people who are creating scrap wood projects. Now I've got to go inside and take a shower and wash off 13 species worth of sawdust. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.